even think about that, but that's a good point because that
See
is
the fire?
a
There's a big fire in there. Look at the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not the brightest people. They're putting sand on it. Dude, that went out of control. They don't have a fire extinguisher.
Nope.
Maybe it's good I'm filming this thing. Holy shit. We might have to call 911 on these guys. Yeah, the guy's running. Let's call the fire department. You got a phone on you?
I don't know.
You want to go inside, call the fire department? This is going out of control. Yeah, it's engulfed now. Yeah, I would run. Holy shit, these idiots. There goes that prop. That little jerk off thinks the fire extinguisher is going to help him now. This guy's going to get hurt. Yeah, call 911. These guys are out of control on their movie set.
Debbie's on the phone.
Bunch of idiots. They need them down here as soon as possible for the hillside.
Oh, he said everybody's standing. She called Gene before 911. You said everybody's standing by.
There's no one standing by. Tell them they're running like idiots. You called the 911 or you called Gene?
I called Gene.
Call 911. There's no one standing by. No, this is going to hit our hillside real quick. What fucking idiots, man. These guys have this freaking bozo's walking around with a trash can trying to fill it up with water. They have no fire prevention here. Look at these idiots. Guy's walking around with a bucket. That's his fire prevention.
I don't have a fire suppression system big enough.
Look at these idiots. They're going for the ocean water with a garbage can. That's their fire suppression system. Yeah, that's what Gene says. They're standing by with fire equipment. They're in the water with a trash can. And how are they going to pick it up and walk it over there? These guys are just idiots. They got to get off the beach, this film crew.
What production company is this? This is a joke.
You know, I got this from start to finish. These guys are a bunch of idiots. Look at all these idiots. No fire department on standby, nothing. These idiots are dragging a bucket from the ocean. That's their fire suppression system. They had 3 guys trying to lift a bucket of water.
A 50-gallon bucket of water, that's 300 pounds.
Yeah, we're gonna have to shut down this movie. Look at these idiots. Good thing they moved their wing of the aircraft. Let's get it on more zoom. Oh, it's a red fire, but these guys need to be closed down.
How much fuel do they have in there? It's a skeleton. What's it burning?
It's burning the prop. Look at these idiots. There's 4 guys carrying a bucket to the plane. They need a fire marshal down here.
Or Debbie called 911 too. They're sending somebody. I haven't seen them.
Idiots.